Hi there! In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to automatically create an opportunity in your pipeline and move it through the stages using workflows. First, we'll go into automations and we're going to create a brand new workflow. Click Create Workflow and then choose Start from Scratch. Starting from scratch gives you full control over every part of the automation. Now let's add your desired trigger. This trigger is the event that tells the system when an opportunity should be created. For example, it could be a form submission, a tag added, an appointment booked, or any other event you want to use. Once your trigger is added, we'll move on to the action. Click Add Action and choose Create Opportunity. From here, select the pipeline where you want the opportunity to be created. Then choose the stage where this new opportunity will land. You can also add additional details like opportunity name, value, or custom fields, anything your workflow requires. This workflow can include multiple actions, conditions, delays, notifications, and anything else you want to automate. This gives you full flexibility to build a complete system tailored to your business process. Now let's create the second part, moving the opportunity forward in the pipeline automatically. We'll go back to automations, and this time we'll create another new workflow. Once again, click Create Workflow and start from scratch. Just like before, begin by adding your desired trigger, the event that tells the automation when the opportunity should move to the next stage. This could be a tag added, a form submitted, a status changed, or any condition you want to use. You can specify the rules by applying filters, for example, in form submitted trigger, add filter form is, and then select the form based on which the automation will run. Next, we'll add the action. Click Add Action and select Find Opportunity. This action will find the contact that's in automation in your pipeline. Here, choose the pipeline where the opportunity already exists. By selecting the correct pipeline, you're telling the automation, look inside this specific pipeline and find the opportunity that already belongs to this contact. It also ensures that the workflow stays clean and accurate, especially if you work with multiple pipelines for different services or sales processes. Once you select the pipeline, the system will look for an opportunity that matches the contact associated with the workflow trigger. There will be two branches now. Under Opportunity Found, click Add Action again and choose Update Opportunity. Now select the pipeline and choose the stage you want the opportunity to move into. This is how we automate the progression of your pipeline. For example, you might want it to move from new lead to contacted, or from booked appointment to showed up, or any other stage that matches your process. You can also update additional details here, such as the opportunity name, the monetary value, or any custom fields you're using to manage the sales process. This gives you the flexibility to keep your data clean and updated at every step.